Hi everybody. Wow, 2 days in a row. But I did it. I can't believe it's finished. It's in the store. Well, I'm putting it in the store as you're watching this. So don't jump the gun. Wait till the end of the video. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you the whole kit again. I love the way it turned out. I've had a lot of great responses. Thanks for all the ideas on what to add. I tried to accommodate everyone. However, if I did, it would be like a honkin' big kit. So I had to stop myself. So front cover. And I have to remember that I'm doing this backwards. So, okay. In no particular order. Okay, so this is what I added. There is a separate journal page. I've done one in yellow, one in pink. So you can put this on the back. I did it on the yellow ones. You can do it alternating. You can add it as another page if you want. The difference being there is a seam in this one. So there's definitely a journal area, whereas this, you can see there's no seam in this one. So it's a little different. But like I said, you can add it as a sixth page if you want. There are 10 in total, and then I did 2 journal pages. So here's the pink one. I turned that upside down, didn't I? Okay, so here's the pink one. I love the way that turned out. It's kind of pretty. Very old-fashioned, vintage looking. So I'll go through these pretty quick because you saw the first ones. Okay, so I had printed one out just to see how it would go, and of course I didn't have anything on the back side, so I printed it twice. So that will be extra in my book, as well as the yellow one will be extra in my book. That's not supposed to be there. Did something wrong there. Oh, that's what I did wrong. That should go in between those. It doesn't matter, but it's my OCD. Sorry. Okay, so there's the extra one. Yeah, that's the extra one. And that one. Okay, so now these are the note pages. Make sure that they're right in frame for you. And on the back of that one, I included a vertical lined page. So when things are printed like this way, so they're, turned, then if you put the vertical one in, you're going to get your lines in the right direction. I probably didn't explain that very well, but... And then I did a petal pocket, and I put up at the top the directions, because a lot of people don't know what to do with these. You can fold it up like, like that, and yeah, I don't know. I saw somebody do something different. Anyway, you fold it like a box top, one over the other, over the other, over the other. Simple. And I did a plain one on the back of that. That's also included. There's no picture of it in the store, but, it's just a plain page. And did a plain background on the envelope as well. And this one as well. I don't color these because they are belly bands. So they're cut on the 45. And this would go on the edge of your page. And this would go on the side of your page. And then vice versa. So if you flipped your page over, you'd have this side, right? So this would go on that outside edge of your page, like so. These are some tucks. You split them in half if you want, or fold them in half if you want to wrap around the page. If you split them, you get 4. If not, you don't. And then I decided I wanted to do something different, so I created this, it's a pocket, and what I'm planning on doing with it is, I mean, you don't have to do this, but I'm cutting it out, and then on the page, let me find it. If I can find it quickly. Maybe not, but you know, you're in no hurry, right? You're just watching TV. Hang on one second. Let me find it. Gotta be in here somewhere. That must be this one. Oh, come on. Where are you? Oh, that's, yeah. Isn't that funny? Oh, there it is. Okay. So when you cut it out, then I'm going to lay it on top of the page so you'll gain a pocket but won't lose the image. So I included a pink one and a yellow one. Yeah. And then somebody mentioned they wanted some words added, so I sort of accommodated her. She wanted ornate frames, but personally I cannot stand cutting out things like that. I find them really fussy to do, so sorry I didn't completely give you what you wanted. However, I did take a lot of her suggestions. These are all her words: grow, bloom, shine, unique. And then I added 4 of my own: beauty, discover, explore, imagine. And then down at the bottom, because I had space, this is some washi tape that I made myself. And you can either cut it as one piece, or you cut it out. You can split it, or like I would tear it if I wanted smaller pieces, or just bend it around the edge of a page. So you've got it on one side and the other side. Then she wanted some blank ones so you can go ahead and stamp your own words or handwrite in them, you know, whichever you want. I did them in this color because it's neutral. You can use it with any kit. So, and I like the size. She wanted small and medium size. So really, if you don't count the little end pieces, it's 1 inch. And it's really narrow. It's pretty narrow. ½ inch, not even, 5/8. And then this one is 1 3/4 by ½ inch. Really nice size. When you want something to be a little bit bolder, I love these for tucking in under things, you know. But anyway, I like the way those turned out. Then of course, now the tags. Now on the tags, I included a horizontal line page, so when you cut the tags out, the lines are all facing in the correct direction. So there's 4 pages of those, different sizes. Actually, there's 5 pages, I think. Yeah, you've got the small tags as well. And this one I did on the vertical, so they're going in the correct direction. Then these are the petal cards, so they fit inside that foldable envelope. And then that one of my subscribers mentioned circles. She wanted circles because she likes to layer and you can do all kinds of things. And I have to agree with her because I had some in the kit I bought from Dreams, etc. She included different circles. Now I did mine and I put the size of the actual circle so that you know which punch. If you've got hand punches, I do. So I did them in a 2 inch and a 2.5, so that you could layer them if you wanted, you know, put one kind of off, skewed off, or just, you know, on its own. And then I also have a big oval punch, and this is a 3.5 by 2.5 inch oval punch. So they're really easy to punch out, I think. Let's try, shall we? Okay, let's see. This is the 2 inch one, I believe. Oh, it might be the 2.5. Nope, that's the 2 inch one. So you do it upside down so you can see the image, obviously. And you might have to trim off the border. You have to be anything spectacular. Just trim it off. Flip over your punch. And then I'm going to line it up. Sorry, I know you can't see this, but it's not going to be perfect, but that's fine because I always ink my edges anyway. So what I try and do is gently squeeze it so that I'm still able to move it a little bit without punching. Okay. It's starting to annoy me now, so I'm going to punch it. Okay, so there you go. And then, of course, I'm going to ink. And now, what color am I going to do in my ink? I have no idea. If I want to do like a brown, pink and yellow. Yeah, I'll probably do brown instead of a color. Like, you know, like a pink or a yellow. I think my sponge is dried up. I haven't been in my craft room for so long actually making anything, so this punch is a little rough. I'm going to have to punch some aluminum foil, sharpen it up. So there you go. So there's a circle, and like I say, I did some, did I turn that upside down for you again? I'm so not used to holding things facing me. I'm so used to turning everything around to the camera. But anyway, I liked it. So it's a large kit. Did you guys count? I didn't count. Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I have more yet? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, sorry that's upside down, 17, okay, then there's 10 pages plus 2, so that's 27, 29 pages, plus the cover, so 30 pages in total are in this kit. Big kit, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I hope you guys like it. So there's my updated video. Go check it out in the store, and we'll talk soon. Bye.